With Luno, you've got the safest and easiest way to buy cryptocurrency. But before that, you will first need to make a deposit into your wallet using your local currency. When you make your first deposit, you'll be presented with a BX reference number, which looks like this. This 9-character code is unique to your Luno account and helps us allocate your payment into your local currency wallet. You may want to jot it down for future reference. You can use this number in both payment reference fields every time you make a deposit to your wallet before you buy cryptocurrency. Next, your deposit needs to come from a bank account that is in your name, the same name you used to sign up with Luno. So if your deposit is made from a friend or a family member's account, the funds will be reversed. Let's look into forms of depositing. When you select the option to deposit on your local currency wallet, the available methods for depositing will be presented to you. Please note that we do not accept cash or check deposits. Bear in mind that when making a deposit, you may be directed out of the Luno app and to your banking app. Follow the prompts and don't panic. This is normal. If you followed the steps outlined in this video closely, it can take up to 2 business days for your money to show in your local currency wallet on the Luno app. Then you can start buying cryptocurrency and be a part of upgrading the world to a better financial system.